Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. This one we change by u because we have number 2, so we have u square in here. This one we change by u. E to the power over of s, ds we change by du. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have secant of t square dt. So I will put tan t gone here and tan t gone here. Du we change by this one. So 1 plus tan t squared we change by secant of t squared. So this one we have secant of t. Secant of t with secant of t squared we have secant of t to the power of 3. Next we have the formula in here. Secant of t equals to 1 over cosine t. Tan t equals to sin t over cosine t. So this one we change by this one. And tan t we change by sin t over cosine t. And now we need to simplify cosine t and cosine t. So I will put cosine t square go to in here. Next, we have the next one. 1 equals to sin t square plus cosine t square. So number 1 we change by this one. So sin t square divided by sin t, cosine t square divided by cosine t square. And we have like this. This one, that is about cosecant of t. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over cosine t. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to arctan of u. So I will put this one to change for t. about you. That is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.